whatever you've achieved, जिस pivot पे आप आज हो, this is not an overnight thing. You must be working towards it over and over again, over and over again. It's like sharpening a pencil. And the more you use, it becomes a little more dull, and then you keep on sharpening it. So, what is that method of sharpening your financial IQ? Do you read books? Do you do courses? What is the?
I find good people like you to mentor me, to guide me, to coach me, and achieve. That's honest, actually.
So, Amit ji, हमें almost एक दूसरे को जाने में 2 साल तो हो चुके हैं. I can safely say that 2 साल से भी ऊपर हो गए, 2.5 साल.
Yes, ज़्यादा हो चुका है. Correct.
So, इस सब चीज में I have seen you growing financially over these years. So, what is that one thing, या what that one rule that you apply? And हम सबके होते हैं अपने, but we don't explicitly talk about it. So, आपका वो one thing, one rule क्या है, which is helping you get more financial success every year?
So I would put it like there's not just one thing actually. It's a mix. Always, it's a mix of few things you do. But I find one thing which works for me is the consistency of following whatever habits I have developed. To be specific, some morning rituals are there, some morning habits are there to briefly create the day actually. कि आज क्या करना है, एंड कीपिंग इन माइंड वो चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है करनी जो आपको जहाँ पहुँचना चाहते हैं वो करें. तो अगर 5 साल बाद या 10 साल बाद जो डिजायर्ड स्टेट है कि हाँ ऐसी होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए आज कुछ करना पड़ेगा. तो आज क्या करना है उस पर थोड़ा सा फोकस आना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो दिस इज वन थिंग विच आई फील ड्राइव्स यू टू टेक एक्शंस एंड create some meaningful results. So at the end of the day there must be some satisfaction कि हाँ आज कुछ किया जो कि कहीं आपको growth में help करेगा.
Can you give me one example of that? What is that one example? Any one of the habits that you do first thing in the morning?
So first thing in the morning I write for 10-15 minutes some affirmations for the kind of life I want for me. So these are affirmations, around 15-20 affirmations to be specific.
Interesting.
So that is one thing which I cannot live without now. It's been almost 3-4 years I have been doing this.
Wow.
And apart from that, I try to figure out at least one thing जो growth के लिए important है. I call it GOT actually. And I work on that maybe 20 minutes or 10 minutes if I find that also is good actually. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि उसके लिए आपको 2 घंटे रोज लगाने पड़ेंगे. If you can find 5-10 minutes and just move ahead in that direction, it works actually. So these are the 2 things which I do it on a regular basis. That's very important for me actually.
So अभी last 12 महीने में COVID situation has really taken over. Businesses are affected. We can safely say this is one time our generation has not seen. No one was prepared for it.
Yes.
How have you been able to manage business and finances in the last 12 months? How has been your experience?
Last 1 year तो पूरा मतलब मैं कहूँगा बहुत से चेंजेस करने पड़े हैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी. तो इसमें जो एक्टिविटीज है ना वो लिमिटेड हो गई हैं. आप हर चीज नहीं कर सकते हो, बट वॉट एवर इज पॉसिबल, बेस्ट पॉसिबल, वो एक्टिविटीज इंक्रीज करने की कोशिश की है. तो चाहे वो मैं बिजनेस की बात करता हूँ तो हम ये सोचें कि हाँ कोविड हिट कर रहा है उससे बात नहीं बनती है. सो एट दिस गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज वी कैन इंक्रीज which will get us the results is more important. So on the business part I will share कि we were able to achieve the revenues what we did in the previous year. So that was a big booster कि एक confidence आया उससे. अगर मैं बात करूँ top line तो same आ गई, but bottom line we could increase by almost 25-30% over the previous year.
Wow.
So there were some good opportunities on which we worked. We increased our activities. So the focus has to shift actually.
Yes.
वो जब आप activity level increase करते हो amongst yourself and your team members, so definitely that helps actually.
So you basically shifted from mindset of focusing on threat to focusing on opportunity, and you created it for yourself.
Correct.
Turnover उतना था लेकिन profitability 30% और ऊपर ले.
बिल्कुल.
और in last 12 months में आपकी financial learning में सबसे बढ़िया मतलब what was the biggest learning or advantage whichever that you got in the last 12 months that you saw कि ऐसा तो कभी भी नहीं मिला पहले और इस बार मिला है.
So जब फॉल आया था कोविड के जस्ट आते ही, तो मतलब ये सभी जगह था कन्वर्सेशन का पॉइंट कि ये तो मार्केट जल्दी उठने वाली नहीं है. आई एम नॉट very learned on the financial aspect in terms of the investment. I have been trying to learn few things through you, but हाँ ये समझ में आया कि एक रिजर्व ऐसा क्रिएट करना important है which you can utilize whenever you see an opportunity coming. तो वो I started creating a pool of reserve fund actually in my business. I got one current account which I was not using actually. वो State Bank का एक account था. So I started parking my funds every month. I was taking out 5-7% of my collections. I made it a ritual actually. Every week Monday morning I have to transfer that funds. So that helped us in creating a reserve fund for my business. Now I am planning a big expansion, and that too without getting much into the to the bank loans.
Yes,
bank loans are there, but not to that extent. Whatever is required, so that is possible. So for investments in my business, I did that. Likewise, the same kind of strategy we have to use for the personal finances, personal investments. कि एक रिजर्व फंड क्रिएट होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये समझ में आया है in the past 1.5 years. So I am working closely on that.
Super. So wherever you've achieved, whatever you've achieved, जिस pivot पे आप आज हो, this is not an overnight thing. You must be working towards it over and over again. It's like sharpening a pencil, and the more you use, it becomes a little more dull, and then you keep on sharpening it. So what is that method of sharpening your financial IQ? Do you read books? Do you do courses? What is the...
I find good people like you to mentor me, to guide me, to coach me and achieve. That's honest actually. So I found I'm not very comfortable in reading books. हाँ start करता हूँ, कहीं से आती है books वो भी, but I cannot continue with that regime. So yes, listening to few audiobooks, but that also is not too much. But then I found in the past 1.5-2 years that learning has to come definitely at every stage, at every aspect of your life, and that too with when you have good people around. So it makes your journey very easy actually, the learning process very easy. And another thing I believe in is कि you should have people around you who are more learned in that specific area than you are. तो मेरी कोशिश होती है कि अपना दिमाग कम चलाएं जब बहुत से क्वालिफाइड लोग हैं. सो द लाइकवाइज आई सेड कि जैसे आपके साथ 2 साल हो गए करते हुए, तो एक कंफर्ट आया और एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी आया कि हाँ वी आर मूविंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. सो नाउ द ओनली वर्क आई थिंक इज कि हाँ 20 दिन महीने में एक बार आपसे मिल ले, बात कर ले, जस्ट टू इवैल्यूएट कि हाँ वी आर हेडिंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. So that is very important actually, to stay connected with good people around you.
Perfect. I feel the same way for all my mentors, and I feel very humbled that you've accepted me as yours.
अरे definitely yes.
But हम सबकी लाइफ में एक financial mentor जरूर होता है, या any person we take as idol. Like for people who are into investing, सबके लिए Warren Buffett is that person, because he's from the age of 11 to I think he's just crossed 90. For those 79 years, he's proven himself as a track record. There are other people who haven't spent as much time but still have made a lot of money, like Elon Musk is there. He's a big innovator. So आपके लाइफ में कोई ऐसा है जिसको आप you really look up to? Could be even local, someone from India, could be abroad, wherever.
Honestly, I haven't figured out that idol, to be honest, till now. But I whatever I have learned in terms of investing, I admire Warren Buffett very much, because उसके जो concepts हैं very easy and very not so technical, and you can adapt that on a regular basis. So I don't idolize anyone, but हाँ admire अगर मैं करता हूँ तो Warren को.
Beautiful. So just really want to thank you for taking out this time हमारे लिए ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए. I believe जो भी
always a pleasure, Arpit ji. It's always a pleasure.
Thank you so much.